So in this class we are going to discuss about radiation heat energy. The way radiation heat energy is emitted, see, if a body has temperature greater than 0 kelvins, remember 0 kelvins I am saying, it's not, it's 0 kelvins only, it emits radiation. So for radiation happens through electromagnetic waves. These electromagnetic waves doesn't need any medium. So they doesn't need any medium to transfer from one place to another place. So these are certain properties I mentioned here. These are electromagnetic waves, have wavelength from certain value to value, like light, thermal radiation, straight lines, interference, diffraction and polarization. We will study these cases in our future classes. Thermal radiation produce heat there, when they are absorbed by a body. Say suppose I am incident, say there is some incident, amount of energy is given, say some amount of energy is given, and in that amount of energy, say q joules of energy is given. In that a material is absorbing some A joules of energy, it is absorbing. So I am going to say absorbance. Absorbance, it is absorbing how much? A joules. This is A joules to amount of energy absorbed by energy supplied is called absorbance, small a. And reflectance. So by here listening to this term itself, we can see reflectance means amount of energy reflected by energy supplied is called reflectance. Next, transmittance. So transmittance is actually amount of energy transferred by energy supplied is small t. Say this is like suppose if I have 10 rupees with me and I gave you, and I have 10 rupees and you just gave back 5 rupees and you just kept 2 rupees with you, and remaining how much will be there? 3 rupees you spent on some other things. This is like a reflectance, it is absorbance and transmittance. So similarly total energy, if I add everything, it should come to 10 rupees only. So similarly it is absorbance is A plus transmittance plus reflectance must be equal to Q. So if I say A by Q plus T by Q plus R by Q is equal to 1. So A by Q is nothing but absorbance A plus T by Q transmittance small t plus reflectance is equal to 1. Some cases that we have to study, some cases like first, say suppose some body so absorbance is 0 and it is transmittance and plus reflectance is equal to 1. Transmittance plus reflectance is equal to 1. These are some kind of materials. Suppose that reflectance is more, so transmittance is equal to 0. So R equal to 1. These are called perfectly reflecting bodies. Suppose transmittance is equal to 0 and reflectance is equal to 0 and absorbance is equal to 1. So it is completely absorbing body. These are called completely absorbing body. Who are the completely absorbing body? Black bodies. These are called black bodies. This black body is famous for many other researches related to space. So black body radiation, whatever we study in radiation, most of the cases we represent with a black body. So perfectly, if T is equal to 1, that is called perfectly transmitting body. And there are some other terminologies. Emissive power. Emissive power is, say, amount of at particular temperature and wavelength. So a body energy emitted by the surface or by the body by area into multiplied with time. So energy emitted by the body per unit area per unit time, this is called emissive power at wavelength lambda. So in thermodynamics generally we say pressure, volume and temperature, but when it comes to the radiation, at particular temperature and wavelength makes some sense actually. Okay, these are some important conditions, wavelength and temperature. These are emissive power. Next is emissivity. Emissivity, it is amount of energy. See, listen carefully. Amount of energy, emissive power of body by and emissive power of black body. Emissive power of black body. So this is denoted with the epsilon E. Emissive power of body by emissive power of black body. So if we want to know emissive power of a body, E can be written as, so emissive power of black body into epsilon. Okay, E at a particular wavelength, emissive power of black body at particular wavelength into epsilon. So this is emissivity. In the next video we will discuss about some important formulas how to get emissivity of black body also. Thank you.